Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining in again today. This is Hassan Raza from XRC University, and on this channel I turn you into an e-commerce master. So first of all, I have a question. It says, hey Hassan, I'm planning to launch an online store for my moto spare parts with over 1500 products. I need a platform that can handle a large inventory while offering key features like layered discounts, inventory tracking, intelligent order management, and customer services tool. I'm wondering if I will need to hire developers or if it is possible to build a store myself. Would pre-built platforms be good option, or is custom development worth the effort? Any recommendations? So first of all, you are in the right direction. If you are thinking that you can develop it yourself, you are in the right direction, because it is possible to create your own website, launch your own e-commerce website, have 1500, 2000, 2500, or how many products you want to add. You can do anything on your own website. So that is the easy thing. Some people think that it's a developer's job, or there is a huge amount of code base involved in it, but as a developer myself, I'm telling you guys, it's any newcomer can do this as well. If you are going to launch your online store, don't go for subscription, monthly subscription, for example Shopify, or some other platform like Amazon. Create your own website. That is what is best for you. You can track your website monitoring, you can have everything on your website, you can control your website. And one thing more I would like to add, that you can add, if you want, you can have different websites for different categories of your product. For example, for this person, he's only selling moto spare parts. For him, one is enough. But if you are a person who has different categories, you can create different online stores for yourself and sell through it. That's what I'm doing. I was a corporate employer. After that, I have developed and launched my own e-commerce websites, and after that I am working for myself, not for any company. So that is it. If you are going to create yourself an on e-commerce website, that is a good thing, and of course it will be fruitful for you. All right, thank you so much for today. That's all from my side. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me anytime. I have my email in my description, and you can also contact me on the chat below. You will have a description. All right, thank you so much guys. Until next time, see ya.